It's raining. Lebanon. Yeah. Nakasarado ang aking shutter. Hahahay. Ang banana ko wala nang dahon. Dito kasi yung gardener namin. It's raining. See that? Oh my.